Hey everyone. In this quick Canva guide, I'm going to show you how to create a clean, professional QR code in just a few steps. It's super easy, really fast, and perfect if you need a QR for your website, a menu, or a business card. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and create a new blank design. I'm using a square layout because it works well for QR codes, but you can pick any size you want. Now, on the left side, scroll down to the Apps tab and inside Apps, search for QR code. Canva has a built-in QR generator, which is pretty nice because you don't need any outside website. Once you open the QR tool, just type the website or link you want your QR code to lead to. Make sure the link is spelled correctly. I mean, it won't work if there's a mistake. Go ahead and click Generate. Canva will create your QR code instantly. You can resize it, move it around, and drop it anywhere on your design. Super simple. And if you want to make it look a bit nicer, yeah, you can add text, a border, a background color, whatever fits your style. The QR stays scannable as long as you don't cover the little squares. When you're done, hit the download button at the top right. I recommend using PNG for clean printing, but you can choose any format you want. And that's it. You've created a QR code in Canva, easy and quick. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe for more simple tutorials. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.